so the mesh top is in. It's the one by Bestop. That's the manual. I ordered this when I picked up the Bronco from Tomball Ford. This is kind of all the stuff it comes in, but it's the one by Bestop. And so I'm just gonna go through it. I think it's pretty straightforward. The only thing is the manual is not very clear on where what goes. I mean, they kind of show it, but I think after you watch this video, it should be pretty quick for you. Where I got a little bit hung up is right here. That one went on the first try. This one I actually had to I had to put my use this to kind of get it started. But trying to screw it in by hand didn't work, right? So if you kind of see, there's a little strap right there. Kind of goes right there, and it's from the mesh top. And so all you have to do is unscrew this right here. I believe this is the T30. It comes with the toolbox, and then there's a little hole in the strap, the metal ring around it. You put that through there, and then you take the bolt out, put that in there, and then screw it back in. That one's done. But I didn't take the top off. But what it does is it's going to be hard to kind of tighten this. Once I take this off, eventually down the line, I might tighten it a little bit more. But right now, I think it's okay. But I passed it through. You kind of see it's a little bit loose because I need to try to tighten it. But it's easier if this is off. So I just passed it through and then got that, all four of them done. So you do that one too as well. On this side, this is a T50. It does not come with the kit, and it doesn't come with the mesh top. So you're gonna have to buy a Torx T50 bit. And so that's something I'm gonna have to buy, because the set I bought from Lowe's, I showed in my previous video, it only has the T40. All right, so we got that done. Again, so you take off the bolt that comes with the Bronco. They give you this bolt and this washer right here. And then there's a plate in here that it comes with right here, and it attaches into that metal piece. All right, and then this one, all you gotta do is loop this in. So this comes by itself. You gotta loop it into the strap. I put this in on this little, whatever thing is called, this piece right here. I put that on afterwards, but you can wait until you're done to do that, or if you want, you can kind of thread this in. Thread this in here before you put it. That way, when you're done, you can kind of just put that in there like that. All right, and then this, you can kind of see that clips in on that side. Right, without being strapped in. Comes like that, just this piece. You got to strap it in there. Kind of see what I did right there, and then strap it on the top side, loop it through. So I'm gonna do the other end now with this one, and then from the top, got that latched in there, talked about this one already. And then that little piece is gonna go through and clip right in here. Now I'm curious to see how this goes when I put the top back on. I see there's like a little latch right here. Let's see, right there and right there. So maybe when I put the top on, I need to take this off and clip it back here. And then the top might go back on. This piece right here goes into the middle bar, right there. And then I have to take this screw out and put this one in. But I need to put the washer underneath, the plastic washer. So kind of like that one right there. You see the washer underneath it. So right now I'm not tightening anything. I'm just gonna hand screw it in there. There you go. So it's gonna stay like that after it's kind of screwed in. So again, to make sure it's in there. Alrighty, that's good. Now we have to do the that one came off. I'm gonna fix that, then we're gonna do the back. Get this piece to fit. What I did is I just loosened it all the way, and then without I didn't take the back off yet. I'm still working on that, but I need to make sure I get this one back in there. I'm gonna have to take it off again, but that one it's not gonna come off because it's latched, right? So if you look right here, it pretty much latches in there. So I gotta take the other ones and kind of latch them, and then I need to loosen the speaker. It might have to be, I think it's this bolt, but I need to check. And then it wraps around and goes in here. You put that bolt back in there, I think. So we'll see. All right, so I got all 4 of them in. Now I'm gonna get this piece in. I'm gonna get that one in,